Hey you guys, it's Nir again, and today we're going to talk about the Facebook encoder. What do we do with it and how to work with it? Okay, so let's say that we have our video and we did a mix, it's awesome. We want to attach them together and upload this video. So this is exactly what the encoder is for. First of all, we start from the output format. We have a Facebook 360 video, a YouTube video with first order or a Rift video. Now, if you would like to just convert your audio mix, so you have it over here to B format, Infuma, MBX, and more. Realistically, you guys probably will just choose either from Facebook or YouTube. Even if you have a video that's specifically gonna go to the Rift, I would still do it on YouTube video. We also have another video that we're checking the differences between a mix that was exported on 8 channel with Facebook 360 or a mix that was exported with 4 channels for the YouTube, so you can check that out to sense the differences in the mix by yourself. But let's get to it. So I'm choosing YouTube video, and our format most of the times it's going to be the Spatial Workstation 8 channels, so this is what I'm choosing right now. If you're importing from Pro Tools, you can do it from over here. And let's load an 8 channel mix. I'm going to use an old project of mine. Cavalli. Okay, so here you see we have the 8 channels. I even named them because I'm so great at it. Over here we have the video. In video we have monoscopic, top or bottom, or left or right. Left or right, I haven't seen it used at all, so if you do have a 3D stereoscopic footage, most likely it's a top or bottom, but we're going to use monoscopic for now. And now I'm choosing the video file. This will be our video file. You can also see that YouTube is not supporting headlock stereo. Headlock stereo means that it's an audio that's being distributed to both ears equally, regardless of the movement of the viewer or the player. Meaning that it doesn't matter if I'm looking left or right, it will still be distributed to both ears equally. You can see it used mainly for music and VO, voiceover. So what does it mean that it's not supported? You can see another video about headlock and how to work around it for YouTube. And you would see that the moment that we're changing it to Facebook, we have those two options open, which is the headlock and the focus. Regarding focus, to be honest, I've never used it. From my understanding, it's more about how narrow is the audio based on wherever the viewer is looking. Again, I haven't found it highly useful, so I'm gonna ignore it for now. And then encode, so you can see already that I have over here stuff for YouTube, for Facebook, but we will just call it Valley, and then I think usually I put over here the format, the video format over here is H264 and YouTube because it's a 4-channel YouTube, and then I'm doing save. Now it's inserting the 360 metadata into the file already, meaning that you don't need to download the metadata from the YouTube website and insert that. That is doing that for you. If you are working in Premiere, there is a bit of a different process inside Premiere, which you can check out in the Premiere export video. See you on the next video.